How to add your pronouns to your Instagram profile. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to add your pronouns to your Instagram profile. But before I do, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, straight into it. So first, of course, open up the Instagram app and tap your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner. Then select Edit Profile. In the box labeled Pronouns, start typing in the pronouns you prefer to be called. Once you begin typing, pronoun options will appear. Tap a pronoun to select it. You can add up to 4 pronouns to your profile so people know how to refer to you. You can edit or remove them at any time. Your pronouns will only appear if you have a name on your profile. You also have the option to show to followers only. When this is turned on, only people who follow you will see your pronouns. If you did not see a pronoun option you'd like to use, or if there are more than 4 pronouns you wish to go by, you can add them to your bio text instead. So go back to edit your profile, and where it says bio, you can type in anything you like about yourself. So this is a great place to add pronouns as well. To save all the changes you've made to your profile, tap the tick button in the top right hand corner. And that's all it takes to add your pronouns to your Instagram profile. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked my video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.